Today we're going to share a feature. It can quickly edit PDF text content without converting the file format. With this feature, we can edit text directly. In WPS, we can directly use the Text Editor feature to modify the PDF text content. This can greatly improve work efficiency. Take this document as an example. Click Edit. In the Text Editor feature area, choose any text selected by the dotted frame. Then we can edit it. We can arbitrarily add or subtract text in the text box and modify text size, color, and other formats. We can also edit the entire text box and we can also move the text box and adjust the size of the text box. Click Done to view the effect. The PDF Text Editor feature is a premium feature, and we can use it by purchasing WPS Premium. Also, the PDF Text Editor feature in WPS Office for PC is more diverse and convenient. You can download WPS Office for PC to use it.